Today we will be solving a Leetcode problem of the day. The problem name is maximum score after splitting a string. So in this question we have given a string S which is consisting of zeros and ones, and we have to return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substrings. Okay, I mean that is we are having a left substring and we are having a right substring. Okay, and the score after the splitting a string is the number of zeros in the left and plus the number of ones in the right substring. So what does it mean? So let's suppose we are having a substring like this is the string which we have given. Okay, so let's suppose we are making a split here. So what is number of zeros in the left? Number of zeros is 1. What is number of ones in the right? We are having a 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4, that is 5. So we can make a split here. If we make a split here, then number of zeros in the left hand side is 1, number of ones in the right hand side is 3. That is giving us answer as 4. If you are making a split here, then number of zeros in the left, which is 1, number of ones in the right, which is 2. That is giving us answer as 3. If you are making a split here, then number of zeros is 1, number of ones in the right, which is 1. Then answer is 2. If you are making a split here, then number of zeros in the left is 2, number of ones in the right is 1. Okay, which is 3. And we can't make a split here because we need non-empty substrings in the left and the right hand side, and we have to consider the maximum one. So in this, if you see, the maximum one is 5, so we have to return answer as 5. Okay, so what we can do is we can just take the count of ones. Okay, after that we try to make a split in every index. Okay, first we will try to make an index here. Okay, if we make an index here, if we make a split here, then we will be taking a 0 variable which is storing the count of 0. Okay, so here the count of 0 is 0, and we are having a variable which is storing the count of 1 in the total string. Okay, so the count of 0 is 1, count of total ones becomes 4, that is giving us 5, and we will try all the split. And after that, if we make a split here, then our count of 1 will be decreased by 1, which will be 3, but our count of zeros will be 1 only. So that is giving us 5, and this one is giving us 4, and we will be considering the maximum one. Okay, and that particular question is asked by companies like Google, uh, Bloomberg, Amazon, Adobe, or Yahoo. Okay, so let's try to solve it. First we will be taking the 1 count in the whole string. Now we will be having a 0, which is 0 for now. Why we are not taking the last one? Because we need non-empty substrings. Okay, so if I is 0, that means we got a 0. If else, we got a 1. We can consider it as a 0 count, and 1 count minus equals to 1, and we will be having a max, which will be 1 count plus 0 count. Let's try to run it. Okay, so we have to consider it as a string. That is working. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. So if you have any doubt in the question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.